Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful, especially if you're an iPhone user. The video title is 265, How to View Call History on iPhone, 2025, and we're going to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're trying to check up on a missed call or just keep track of your conversations, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. That way, you get all the newest features and security updates. To start, unlock your iPhone and locate the phone app. It's that green icon with a classic phone receiver. You can't miss it. Tap on it to open. Once you're in the phone app, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several tabs: Favorites, Recents, Contacts, and Keypad. Tap on Recents. This is where your call history lives. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent calls, including incoming, outgoing, and missed ones. Each entry shows the contact name, phone number, and the time of the call. Now, if you want to get more detailed, you can tap on any specific call to see more info, like the exact duration or even options to call back or message the person. For 2025 models, Apple has added some cool enhancements, like advanced search filters. Just swipe down on the Recents screen, and you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in a name or number to filter your history quickly. One handy tip: if your call history is getting cluttered, you can edit it by swiping left on any entry and selecting Delete to remove it. Remember, this doesn't affect your actual phone logs permanently, but it's great for keeping things organized. And there you have it. Viewing your call history on your iPhone is straightforward and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.